What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing 99 Nights in the Forest. I said, what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing 99 Days in the Forest.
Okay, I'm on wood.
We can't.
I'm on wood.
Touch gray!
I'm on wood duty.
Sure, I'll be on food duty.
No, food and the juice.
Right? The juice?
Yes, the juice.
Oh, there's no juice in this game. I hope they update and you had to drink too, right?
Yeah.
Because who can survive 99 days in a forest without drinking water? And I just got a punished for first try. Hey.
Give me one.
Bro, it's weird.
You can't survive 3 days without water. You know that.
No.
And you can survive if you have just cool drink. You know why? Because cool drink.
No, you can't. You can't. That's
cool drink has a little bit of water, so you can survive a week. You can survive a week, not like a week. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at this wolf that I'm about to attack my prey.
Excuse me, it was gonna be like gross, Kaya. I'm not watching.
Excuse me, bum. Bro, I'm talking to you, you bum.
No, bum.
Yeah, bum idiot. Actually, yeah, bum idiot.
Hey, yup, you heard what you said, right?
No.
Yes, they do.
Well, I'm gonna put this coal on the campfire.
Don't, nigga.
If you keep on making fun of me.
Bro,
the deer is literally in here. It says keep out.
Yeah, keep out.
I think there's a pit bull in there.
There's no pit bull, niggatron.
Yeah, nigga.
Shut up.
Yeah, niggatron.
Okay.
Do you actually think the deer is in there?
It is, nigga.
And that's why if I stay here, I will see the deer coming out.
But you want to die. That's what you're trying to do, die.
Mm-mm.
Then keep out.
Bro, I'm telling this coal in the camp, buddy.
No, nigga.
Colin.
What the hell is your...
Don't worry, I got 10 pieces of coal. I'm joking too.
Nigga, why did you do that? You see, if it rains and we die to the back.
We won't. There's still coal here. My bum cheeks jiggle. Oh, why am I saying that? My milkshake brings all the boys to your spin. Oh my gosh. That song is so good though. Can't help it, you bum. I put old coal in the can.
Oh, the camera's fine.
Yes, deer. That deer was in our camp, buddy. Bodyguard. Bodyguard is killed them now. Okay. He's gonna scratch you.
I can't touch grass. You can't touch grass.
Yeah. Wait, I even forgot about that.
Yeah.
And here I am touching a fishing rod. Okay, a fishing rod don't count.
Okay. It does not count.
Yeah, bro.
You can't touch the stone over here.
Yeah, bro. I'm touching it right now.
And you can also you can't touch these grapes.
So close!
You can't touch the grinder or the gray things.
Oh, I forgot about the grinder.
And the gray things. So you have to put them in your sack and don't touch them.
Not gray things.
The gray things that you find.
The middle things, yeah, I don't touch them. I'm probably not even supposed to touch them. Why do you have a bandage in the water? Like, what's the point of having a bandage in the water? It's not like you're gonna die to many fishes. What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, sugar. Can you please just give me a bunny?
Oh, hell no, buddy. Okay, fine. Only if you call me Megatron.
Megatron.
No, actually Optimus Prime, buddy. Okay, but first I need a trade. Which should I trade for? Old Flash? I already have one.
Oh, you should trade for a good set of accent. You don't need an old.
Or should I trade for you a good set?
Yeah. You should.
I just traded for you.
Is it on the floor?
I think it should be. Oh God. Oh, it's not there.
Where is it?
I don't know. I'm just wasting my bunny food.
Wait, check if it's in there. Can you please get me one?
Bro, it's your job.
Please. No, it's your job. It's also get food.
Not bunny foods.
Bunny foods come in bunnies. Otherwise, I'll just kill myself. You pick up all the food that I dropped. Just give me a bunny food. Is it tablet or opposite? I'm not sure if it's like it's in the power bank. It's on full house, even though I'm not charging.
Full house.
Ooh. Do you think I should have had some?
Yeah.
But they gray.
Oh God. Dino Kid, you're never getting safe, right?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we can come close and kill them.
Yeah, run.
They're on my butt cheeks, and also they're gonna make me lose the challenge. And then I have to be get taken by the deer. I'm stepping on rocks, bro, and starving.
Oh, down.
Hope
Oh my gosh, why did you die? That's gonna hurt me. I think what? I'm gonna try and shut you. No.
Broken.
Where the flag are you?
I'm like really near the camp. Just getting me. They're just giving me a wolf pit.
I'm not getting you a wolf pit, you know.
I'm gonna get you a bunny, but if you give me a wolf pit.
I don't have one.
Well, you should have one.
From
you. The deer monster. It's the deer monster. The deer monster is fishing me. I think this is part of the new update. Now it's fishing you, bro.
Yeah, fishing me. Stop it, Lisa.
It's literally fishing you.
Mega
It's gonna
stop.
put you in the ocean, or it's gonna put you in a cage, and then you're gonna be one of the missing kids since you're a real kid, buddy. It's fishing you. Blah! It's going out into the range. The reindeer is hurt. Oh, campfire went out. Reindeer. The reindeer is attacking us with the axe. It's attacking you with the axe. And now it's good. And it's taking all of our food.
You mean you are?
Bro, this is not big. He's literally taking all the food, bro. Fight the deer, bro. I didn't know it can come into the campsite.
I'm hungry.
Bro, I'm like, what the hell? It's taking all the food, and now it's putting it in the camp. Now it's roasting you alive. Now it's gonna fish you.
Shut up, Kaya.
Now it's fishing you.
Before you stop food.
Bro, the deer is eating all our food. Bro, the deer is eating all our food. And now the deer is gonna put all the coal in the camp.
I don't even try you.
Bro, this isn't even me. This is the deer. It's morning now. It has to run away. It's running away like a scaredy cat.
Stop! Outside, go get your food.
Go get my food. Bro, the deer ate me and killed me.
They're attacking us tomorrow.
He was fishing me and he put me in a cage where the missing children is.
They are attacking us tomorrow. Don't
Bro, I got a wolf pit.
Don't touch Gray though. Looks like it's literally gray.
Bro, that doesn't count. My milkshake brings on all the boys to the yard. It's better night. It's better than
Kaya!
to chew.
I swear, if you die, I'm gonna kill you.
And then my milkshake brings on all the boys to the yard. And it's better than yawn to chew. And come Wolfie. You know you love
Kaya, stop testing me.
little boys and now you love
Because
little
if you die, I'm
boys.
not saving you. Because I can see you are literally the
Yay, come Wolfie, come eat my sister over here. Mad Cam. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie.
Stop messing around.
Come
If you die, I
Wolfie.
swear I'm gonna hit you
Come
so hard.
Wolfie.
Kaya, do you have a revolver?
Come Wolfie. No. Come
Just bring me
Wolfie.
one.
Come Wolfie, yeah. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. The only thing that I have is a good track and a fishing rod. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie.
Yeah, Kaya, come.
Come Wolfie.
You deserve it. 'Cause you keep on
Come
thinking of
Wolfie.
me. Hey.
Come Wolfie.
Shut up.
Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. Ow, it just bit me there.
But it bit you. Did you die?
Yeah, it just bit me.
That's a lie. No.
Why?
Shut up. Stop lying.
Get on the ground. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. Ouch, it bit my butt.
Because
It's biting my butt cheeks.
yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie. I just jumped over it. Come Wolfie. Come Wolfie.
Yeah, it's actually gonna bite you.
Everything in this server is scared of light except the humans. Ouch. Come Wolfie. I'm almost dead right here. Come Wolfie.
Yeah, you're
Come
almost
Wolfie.
there.
It's trying to bite my butt cheeks.
Yeah,
but I'm a
Papa,
parkour master.
stop.
I can eat budgies and I can move. Yes, sir.
What the hell are you doing?
I got 2 wolves on me.
Yeah, because you need a papa.
My butt cheeks are being eaten.
Yeah.
My butt cheeks.
Shut up.
Bro, come save me. My butt cheeks
I
are
swear
being
to God, you
eaten.
need to get in that campfire.
Bro, it's literally biting on my butt.
It's nice and go in the campfire.
The deer and this wolf is attacking my butt
Why
cheeks.
aren't you running?
They on my butt. Oh my gosh, my butt cheeks.
Stop playing.
You big bum.
Take a rifle. Take a revolver.
I don't have enough over.
Please.
Thank you. My milkshake brings on all the boys to yard. Spin it's better than yawn to chew. And then the naked. And then my milkshake. I didn't see you. You nigger. You guys are both brown, so not sure.
Well, literally not. We're literally biting locals.
That's how we're licking each other.
Hey, yo, he's lying.
we love licking each other. Oh, our food is each other. My milkshake brings out all the boys to the yard. Yes, that's you guys. My sister has licked. We have licked each other's tongues. Yes. we have. You lying. God don't know. A bat is on your booty.
The tree fell. Yeah, I thought when the tree fell, it was the deer, so I ran like crazy.
My milkshake brings on all the boys to the yard. Since the night, it's better than yours.
Spin right. They attack us tonight.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. It's better than yawn. We choo. And
I knew it was about
something evil is approaching your campfire. It arrives tonight. It's because of you, bro. You probably made everybody angry because of your smelly.
Last week, little boy.
My bad. If you want me to stop saying that, you surrender right now. And surrender.
Surrender. Jehovah.
Who is Jehovah? Oh God. But why do you have to say Jehovah?
That's his name.
Jehovah. You're saying his name in vain.
Jehovah.
You're saying his name in vain, you big bum. Because you are a big bum.
How?
It's better than your butt cheeks. A milkshake is better than everything in your body. But why was that teacher saying these?
Shut up.
Are my bro?
I don't know. By that teacher.
Yes, sir.
No.
You have done that before. You're like, these are my Yeah, I'm like, bro, it sounds so funny, but it's actually so disgusting.
Yeah, disgusting as in you.
Disgusting as hell. I'm joking. Hell is more disgusting, right? Who is more disgusting?
This wolf is biting me.
It's biting your butt.
Don't say that's my butt.
Bro, you like saying, this wolf is on my butt. Oh my gosh, my butt cheeks. You said it's on my butt trap cheeks. You said butt trap cheeks. You said butt, bum, cheeks, butt, cheeks. What happened?
Well, some people at this school that she doesn't, they are coming.
These are my butt.
Kaya, go to the fire.
Are my butt cheeks.
Nigga.
Nigga, I don't even have a revolver or anything. I'll scare off the deer. You handle this.
I can't. You handle them. You have a revolver. Why don't you handle them?
You have one too.
I need to eat
These
them.
are my butt. Okay, I know.
You see, you're busy saying it's not even you this time.
These are my
Hey, don't even.
You butt cheek.
Come on, I got
The butt cheek is chasing my butt cheek.
Oh!
And that's a good roll, slowly, because it's like my butt cheek. Did you die?
No, I'm almost there though. I'll get them from
We're
you.
in the same house. So my butt cheek.
Kai, get away. I got them.
My butt cheek.
I got them.
They come. Yeah. Do it. Bleh. Did you have a cultist?
I shot one. Now it's time for you to die.
Megatron died. Yes, Megatron. Come revive my butt. Because it's so sore. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Bro, I do not sound like a grandma. What are you talking about, you big bum? Oh, fudge. The pet trader arrived. Berries have grown on the map.
I guess we're both getting food now.
These are my. These are my. Okay, I'm not making fun of her. Bahaha. Like, literally, bahaha. Like, who sings like that? Like, why is she saying these are my thingy things? I'm not gonna say that on camera. Because that's actually disgusting. Who would sing These are my butt cheeks. Butt cheeks. A bunch of roots on my butt. These dino kids who live in the bottom of the butt cheeks. Should I use one of my bandages?
I don't know. You don't have one now.
Shoot with a revolver, nigga. Bro, I'm not shooting. My revolver.
You're still busy running around messing with another.
Because I need you to cover.
Kaya, look. You have to look.
Do you have a spear?
No.
Oh God, I'm gonna let you have my spear. Cause right now they tasting after my butt cheeks.
I'm coming to that one.
But that's in the butt cheeks.
Run, continue running.
Budges, and I'm also doving.
Okay, while you stop, I'll distract them. Go. Run!
These, Cora, take my spear. Take this.
Run! Let's run. I'm distracting them.
One is on my butt.
Okay,
Bomb cheeks.
Kaya, run home. My thing is out of ammo.
My butt.
Okay, now they both are.
My butt is being eaten.
Run! They're coming.
Get on me, wolves.
Stop. Kaya, if you die, I'm not
These
back.
are my these. Bro, it's so dark for the teacher. That's why she's saying that.
My toy.
What the? These, you were about to say these are my pride. Bro, why would you say that? I'm gonna tackle this cultist in the camp. I'm joking with the claw.
Don't try to hold.
Medusa.
I'm hungry.
Bro,
I need something to eat. I'm not going to stop.
it's my knee.
The owls are
Oh God, bro. Bad. Actually, I don't care. I want to get attacked by the owl, right? Right?
Yeah.
We had to go to the snow biome though.
No, I'm not going to.
The owl has woken. Big fat owl, come here before we shoot you with a gun. You ban me. I hope the owl is always awake. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Make as much as noise as possible. These are my... Oh my gosh.
Don't try me.
These are my... 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 These are my...
We have to be.
These are my... These are my...
Kaya,
These are
you
my...
need to get more food,
These
okay?
are my...
Kaya,
Yeah, do it in the nighttime. I'm just fishing for fish. I want to get shot in fish or fish rod. Fishing rod. My milkshake brings on all the boys to the yard. It's better than young. Did you eat it in like, oh, I can save him.
no, you
Without get up on me.
don't have to
What's your feet?
If you're on low house, if you're on orange, just hit that. I'm getting food.
Bro, where's my spear?
It's with me.
Can I have it? Because I'm going to free Dino Kid. I'll fight and you free Dino Kid, okay? Okay?
Okay, but let me have to finish the one.
I fight you to save Dino Kid. Let's go. Autobots, roll out.
Are you using the map?
Bro, I'm literally an Autobot. Transformers or Decepticons?
She doesn't know what that is. I don't know what this is.
What the hell? It's like bad dudes.
Transformer.
They're all on my butt. I'm rushing back home. They're biting on me. And they think I taste good. I think I taste like when I don't. I need to drop all this food. All I have is a single fish. Enjoy it. Thank you God for this fish. Nom, 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 nom.
I don't want to say that.
What?
Don't touch me, you're a man, Niggertron.
Yeah, Niggertron. So the boy in town swears under the shoeman. Swearing is bad.
Who told you swearing my phone?
You. But why does this have ketchup?
That's disgusting.
Yeah, seriously. I wouldn't dip chips in ketchup. That's disgusting. I know they barbecue flavored, but what the hell? Like, I still wouldn't do that. All the
Hi, just run over.
drop the thing, drop the spear, Cara. I'm coming to you. All the wolves are gonna be busy on you, okay?
Okay, but I need to eat those things.
Cara, asing the team, tambolim, kopodim, crocodile, bambos, Cara, you don't need a weapon.
I do.
You don't. I'm free Dino Kid, and yeah.
I do need a revolver. That's the only weapon I have.
Fudgy fudge, please. Fudgy. These are my fudgy fudge. These are my fudgy fudge. Farts. These are my farts. These are my funny bones. These are my faces. Bro, it's just hilarious to see that teacher.
The papers on the floor.
Yeah, but it wasn't always.
Wasn't it, Cara?
No, they flew.
Yes, then you guys were freaking out.
Why? They're not us.
Then you must use the thing.
Boom, bum. Whoever did it was doing. Come, her. We need to go save Dano Kid. Dano Kid is the leader of Samalaba. Who is your favorite kid? My favorite kid is Koala Kid.
What?
Huh? Because he just has a nice name. These are my Baha. These are my Bahahas. These are my cars. These are my faces. These are my faces.
You are hungry.
These are my faces, so I don't care, 'cause these are my faces. These are my faces. These are my faces. Oh my gosh, I just ate something raw, and I wasn't even stuffing. Raw. My milkshake brings on all the boys to the yard.
Today I'm getting a lot of wood. Tomorrow I'm going exploring.
Come, drop your spear. Come to Dino Kid's
I
camp.
don't have any. That's
You do. Oh, you said you had my spear.
I gave it to you, nigga.
You didn't.
Oh, shit. Alright. I should have somewhere on the floor.
What is it?
I dropped it by you, but I don't know where it is now.
Well, we were at Dino Kid's cave.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. Do you have a spear? Because we can't fight all these wolves without a spear.
No, I don't.
You big bam! Just guarding Dino Kid like that. How wonderful. I love it. Just keep on guarding Dino Kid.
Why did you have to say that?
Because they must just keep on guarding Dino Kid
You
from
sound so
what?
funny when you say that.
Yeah,
You're
even
going to
funnier.
starve. if you're hungry.
I'm starving.
Hi, you're not doing a good job on the food. Can you actually get some good food?
Bro, I'm doing better than you.
No, actually, the fries aren't a good food just because of me. And now I'm gonna fight this wolf, even though
Have you even traded with the pet trader?
No, I haven't.
Bro, I found you a bunny foot.
Okay, then I'll trade with him when you come. Now come.
Okay, Big Mutton.
I got some food.
Car. These are my faces. 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 These are my faces. Guys, my sister's biting down on my butt cheek.
Why?
That's really the truth. You are biting down on my butt
I'm
cheek.
really biting on my
You are bro, your arm and butt cheek, same thing. Bum. You big bum. You giant bum. Okay, I'm not saying giant bums. Bums. I love bums. Like, stop saying that.
You mean you stop?
You stop your butt. I just put in cool. Mula. Guys, do you have mula? If you have mula, subscribe.
Oh, no!
I want to see. Where is it?
It's outside. It's outside.
Well, I'm starving to death. Where is it? Ha! Down!
It ran away.
Bro, that's...
It was literally chasing me. In the dog was ready.
These are my private ones. Private ones. These are my private ones. These are my private butts. Private butts. Private butts. These. Oh my gosh. Why am I saying that? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe.